Hi everyone, this is Madhvi and welcome to Technospace channel. So in this video we will learn about how to actually troubleshoot all the page indexing issues. As you can see, I've got 113 pages that are not indexed under page indexing. In this overview you could see there are so many pages that are not indexed properly. Now to understand the depth of this problem, let us just simply go inside the report and check what went wrong with those 113 pages. As you can see that there are 113 pages that are not indexed and what is the reason like. Now if I come to this page, okay, if I will individually open this page, I've started the validation and there are 32 pages that are affected by this. When you get such a notification, all you have to do is start the validation. Here you will see details. I've started validation. You will see one button called validate fix. You just have to simply click on it and start the validation. Okay, now what happens is not every time the validation fixes the problem. Okay, 99% of the time the problem gets fixed, but 1% of the time, yes, there is a major issue where you have to fix the page indexing. Okay, and there are 44 pages that are indexed in my blog and 113 pages are not. As you can see, how many pages have got so many these many problems. So some are 404 no index. You just have to start the validation by clicking inside it. You will see a button called validate fix. Okay, start validation. Okay, so you have to start the validation. Okay. So the small problems generally gets resolved automatically, but in case if it doesn't, okay, you just need to identify the real problem behind it. For that you have to simply go to the rich results, understand what went wrong, what is the error like. Rich result testing tool. Okay, here you have to put the link. Okay, put the link of the site, how many links are affected, how many pages. Okay, take any link, simply copy and put it here and check what went really wrong and test the URL. Okay, and once you do this you can simply check what went wrong, and if you see the problems you can simply troubleshoot it. See, these are the problems. The crawl failed because the validation has already been started. Here as you can see, the validation has already been started. Okay, test robot text and text is blocking. Here validation has already been started. If the validation is not able to fix the after starting validation, the problem is not fixed, you will get an alert. Okay, and to fix that, okay, all you have to do is keep checking here. If it shows in green color, that means it is fixed properly. If you're still facing issues after starting the validation, then please email me to technospaceblog@gmail.com. Thank you so much. In this video we will wrap up now, and do email me, and if you face any problems then please let me know. Let me know in the comment section what you like, which part of the video you like the most, and you want to fix any problem, then email me, and do subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.